Simple, fast and easy. In the free words, the description of this paracord bracelet. So if you wanna learn how to make it, stay tuned, cause tutorial is right around the corner. Enjoy! For today's project we're gonna need this black paracord 550, total length 7.5 feet or 2.5 meter in the metric measurements, and this piece of sky blue paracord. So let's start. First, take the ends of a black cord and find the center of it. Make a loop around your wrist, so you will measure the width of your wrist and leave one finger from it, so this will be the length of the wrist for my bracelet for my wrist. So here on the end I'm gonna make and turn the one side on top of the middle ones, or the middle cords or strands as you wish. Let me zoom so you can clearly see. So this one on top and the other one from behind and through the loop on the right side, and this one from the top side through the loop on the left side. Now pull it to make it tight, and we can start making the very fast, very simple and easy to make paracord bracelet with the Cobra weave or the basic Salomon weave. So you're gonna start it. Let me just zoom more a bit. As you can see, this left cord or left strand is heading from the top of the bracelet, or the base of the bracelet anyways, to the back side, as you can see here. And this left cord coming from the behind or from the back through the right side loop, but on the top, heading to the top, as you can see. So the leading will be the left one, and it's always the leading one, the one which comes from the top to the bottom, or from the top to the back, as you wish. Now we're gonna take this left one and we're gonna make it on top of these middle strands, and we're gonna take the right one on top of the left, behind to the back and through the loop on the left side, like this. Now before we continue making the Cobra paracord weave, we're gonna take the blue strand we had and we're gonna simply cut the ends of a cord and we're gonna pull out the inner strands. So we have the gutted blue paracord. Don't forget to take the torch or a lighter and just melt a bit these ends. I'm gonna take it and, as you can clearly see, I'm gonna input the blue one in the middle here. Let me just take the needle or a thread to show you. Pull it to make it tight all together. And now we're gonna continue making our paracord Cobra weave bracelet. And now when we are finished, take the blue cord and insert it into this loop in the middle. Like that. And then simply finish the bracelet. On top, under, and through. Now we're gonna take and cut off this blue one here. And now we're gonna take these ends and we're gonna create the Mad Max style paracord bracelet closure. Insert the ends of a cord into these small loops here. And our paracord bracelet is almost finished. We just need to find the end point where we need to make the closure of the bracelet. It's here. Okay. As you can see, bracelet fits very well. Now I'm gonna take this piece of a blue cord, micro cord, and first I'm gonna a bit melt these two ends together. Now I'm gonna take this smaller cord and I'm gonna create on top of these ends the basic Cobra loop. So find the center of a cord, make it on the back of these ends, and the right side on top, the left side on top of the right, under and through the loop here. So like this, put it on the top like so, and then we're gonna continue making the Cobra weave. So this left cord on top of the inner cords, right one on top of the left, and you're gonna do the basic Cobra weave or the basic Solomon, as you wish. So now cut the excess of the cord, melt it down, So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and the family, and of course, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya. Bye.